Okay, good morning everyone. Now today we will discuss about the continue problems. I did mention the last class 13th problem. Now start the 14th problem. Mr. Ravi Kumar keeps his books on single entry, books on single entry. His position on 1st January 2013 was as follows. Now first, cash at bank 3,000 rupees 3,000. Cash at bank rupees 3,000, comma, next stock 20,000 and next debtors 30,000, and next missionary 50,000, next and creditors 25,000. Next, his position on 31st December 2013 was as follows. Cash at bank rupees 4,000. Next, stock rupees 25,000. Next, debtors rupees 45,000. Next, missionary 50,000. Missionary 50,000. And finally creditors 25,000. Full stop. During the year he introduced rupees 10,000 as further capital and withdrawn from business of rupees 3,000 per month. Prepare statement of assets and profit and loss for the year ended. Profit and loss of Mr. Ravi Kumar for the year ended. Okay, this is the problem. Now given problem, the information, Mr. Ravi keeps his books on single entry system on 1st January 2013. 1st January 2014 is not directly capital. Now as position is below. Cash at bank 3000, stock 20,000, debtors 30,000, machinery 50,000, creditors 25,000. Now his position on 31st December. Now directly not recorded into the problem closing capital. Same his position. Cash at bank 4,000, stock 25,000, debtors 45,000, machinery 50,000, creditors rupees 25,000. Now in this problem, find out the ending capital and beginning capital. Understand? During the year, same year, he is nothing but Ravi Kumar introduced rupees 10,000 as further capital. Additional capital 10,000 and withdrawn from business. Withdrawn is nothing but drawings 3,000 per month. 3,000 into 12, 36,000 drawings during the year. And finally, you are required to prepare statement of affairs and profit and loss of Mr. Ravi Kumar. Now let's start the solution. First, find out the beginning capital and ending capital. Solution. Format, balance sheet format. Statement of affairs as on opening and beginning. Opening date 1st January 2013 to ending date 31st December 2013. Beginning and closing. Now liabilities, beginning capital, closing capital of rupees. Next assets, beginning capital of rupees, closing capital of rupees. Liabilities, beginning capital of rupees, 1st 2013 rupees, 31st December 2013 rupees ending. Next assets, beginning 1/1/2013 rupees, ending 31st December 2013 rupees. Okay. Now first January 2013 position, cash at bank asset rupees 3,000, and next stock asset 20,000, and next debtors asset rupees 30,000, and next machinery rupees 50,000, and next creditors liability side rupees 25,000. That's it. Opening balances, assets and liabilities. And next closing balances, cash at bank 4,000, stock 25,000, next debtors 45,000, and next machinery 50,000, and finally creditors 25,000. Now balances, first find out the ending balances. Now asset side of the ending 95, 1,24,000. 1,24,000 asset, liabilities 25,000. Deduct remaining balance of rupees capital 0, 0, 0. 14 minus 5, 9. Next 9, 99,000. This is the ending capital. Find out the ending capital 99,000. Both side of the ending capital of rupees 1,24,000. 1,24,000. And next find out the beginning capital of rupees. First asset side 50 plus 30 80, 80 plus 20 1 lakh, 1,03,000. 1,03,000 minus 25,000. Assets liability 0 0 0, 13 minus 5 8, 10 minus 2 8, remaining balance 88,000. 88,000. $78. Now both side 1,03,000. 1,03,000. 1,03,000. 1,03,000. Now clear 0 0 0 18 10. Okay, this is the capital, opening capital, closing capital, bracket balancing figures. And let's start the statement of profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss of Mr. Ravi Kumar as on 31st December 2013. Now format particulars amount rupees. Particulars amount rupees. Now first recording into the format ending capital. Now find out the ending capital 99,000. Capital as on 31st December 2013 of rupees 99,000. And next added drawings during the year. In this problem given the drawings withdrawn from business for 3,000 per month. 3,000 per month, per annum 36,000. Plus drawings during the year 3,000 per month. 3,000 into 12 is equal to 36,000. And total add 1,35,000. Clear? And next deduct additional capital. In this problem given the additional capital of rupees 10,000 minus additional capital during the year 10,000, remaining 1,25,000. This is the adjusted closing capital. Adjusted closing capital. And finally deduct opening capital minus capital as on 1st January 2013 of rupees 78,000. Now remaining balance of the profit 27,000. Net profit for the year. Net profit for the year 0 0 0, 15 minus 8 7, 11 minus 7, 11 minus 7 4, 47,000. Okay, this is the answer. That's it. Clear? And next problem number 15. problem number 15. From the following particulars, from the following particulars, prepare a statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st December 2014. Now given the problem, opening dates 1st January 2014, next closing dates 31st December 2014. Given the data, now first cash, opening cash 4,000, closing cash 3,000, and next bank, cash at bank 10,000, and next closing 5,000. 5,000 is the bracket. Overdraft, and next debtors, opening balance of the debtor 80,000, closing 75,000, and next stock, opening 30,000, closing 28,000, and next creditors, opening 42,000, ending 37,000. Next machinery, opening 10,000, closing 15,000, and next furniture, opening 1,000, closing 1,000. The proprietor draw at the rate of rupees 750 per month. 750 per month. He introduced rupees 3,000 as fresh capital. Okay, this is the problem. Now problem, from the following particulars, prepare statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st December. Now same in this last, I didn't mention the last problem. Same, first find out the opening capital, and next find out the ending capital, and finally find out the statement of profit or loss. Okay. Now first format, statement of affairs as on 1st January 2014 and 31st December 2014. Liabilities, opening amount rupees, closing amount rupees. Assets, opening amount rupees, closing amount rupees. Now start the first cash asset. cash. Opening cash 4,000, closing cash 3,000. Next, bank balance asset 10,000. Next, overdraft liabilities credit side 5,000. And next, debtors asset opening 80,000, closing 75,000. And next, stock asset opening 30,000, closing 28,000. And next, creditors liabilities opening 42,000, closing 37,000. And next, machinery asset opening 10,000 and next closing 15,000. Next, furniture asset opening 1,000 and closing same 1,000. Now balances, first find out the ending capital balances. Now asset side, $75, $28, $16, $3, $9, $17, $22, next $7, $10, $12, $1,22,000. Asset liabilities 5,000. 1,22,000, closing 1,22,000 minus 37 plus 5, 42. 42 deduct 0, 0, 0, 0. 12 minus 4, 8. Remaining 80,000. 80,000. This is the capital, ending capital, bracket balancing